Hi guys! So wala akong magawa ngayon kaya bumili ako ng varnish paints and brush. Since Saturday naman, so let's do this. So dalawa pala yung binili ko na varnish paints. Meron tayong maple at saka meron tayong natural. So ang gagawin ko guys is i-merge ko tong maple sa natural bago siya i-paint sa chairs. So, nilagay ko muna siya sa bakanting Tupperware at dyan ko na i-merge or i-combine yung natural tsaka maple. And maganda yung outcome kapag kinombine itong dalawang ito. So, I bought 2 maples and 2 natural. So, ayan na mga guys at isi-shake muna natin bago natin siya i-paint sa mga chairs. So, I have no proper measurement. Ang ginawa ko lang is tinansya ko lang yung maple at saka yung natural. So, shake lang muna hanggang ito ay pwede nang magamit. Then, after shaking mga guys, kumuha ko ng mga scratch papers para ilalagay ko sa tiles so that the tiles will not be dirty when we are going to paint na. So, ayan mga guys at nilalagay ko na yung mga scratch papers in order to avoid the pour of the varnish paint. So, this is the outcome of the arrangement of the papers or scratch papers. Siyempre, malinis pa sa dyan in the first place. Later on, you'll know. Fast forward na natin mga guys para madaling matapos itong ginagawa ko. Yung ginawa ko pala dyan muna guys is of course, nilinisan ko muna yung chair. Kasi napakaraming lawa at merong mga tirahan ng mga bubuyog at gagamba. Kaya definitely, nilinisan ko muna. So ayan at nag-start na akong magpintura. And I have 4 chairs to paint. Yung mga chairs na pipinturahan ko is mabibigat. Kaya I decided to have some rest after ko mag-paint ng 1 chair and going to the next chair. Well, I am not saying that I am going to take a rest for an hour but only 4 minutes just to get a rest of my back and my body. Kasi sumasakit yung likod natin when we are aging. So, balik tayo sa pagpipaint and I think this is the second chair. And I painted the chairs side by side in its front and its back so that it will be look new to the eyes of the visitors who are coming here in our house. And shout out to my father who is passing by back and forth. Looks like he's much busier than me. And also I realized that it is time consuming when you are having painting. Here's the finished product guys. It is now well painted, beautiful and attractive. So I didn't have the picture of the before, I forgot. But as you can see, it is now shiny and clean. So ayan na siya mga guys and I completed the 4 chairs. And pwedeng nang magmerienda. And that's all folks and thank you for watching my vlog. We'll see you on my next upload. Bye-bye!